How's it going? Peppy Von Pew here, and I'm coming at you today on St. Patrick's Day with the Green Dragon balisong. I purchased this guy at a place in my hometown called Big Kid. If you live in or around Lakeside, Arizona, you can purchase one of these, probably if they have any left. They get them all the time, so keep stopping by. But yeah, this guy is really great. It's a good flipper. It's just great thing for someone to have. I love it. But yeah, I decided to come out with the green one today because St. Patrick's Day, you know? And because it is green and it is dragon, I have decided to name this particular balisong Shenron. If anybody knows why, then good for you. Let me know in the comments. Yeah. If you know, then you know. If you know why it's named Shenron, then you know. If you don't, then that's fine. Just know that that's what I decided to name this guy. And I hope you guys have a fantastic day, and I will see you in my next video. I appreciate you guys for watching, and be safe out there. Peace.